Good morning, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to this presentation on the taxability of income from foreign subsidiaries in the UAE capital corporate tax regime. We will explore the conditions for exemption, taxable scenarios, and compliance related matters under Federal Decree Law number 47 of 2020. I am CA Sheikh Anwar Hussain from Sheikh Anwar Accounting and Auditing LLC, Dubai. Welcome you all in this presentation. Introduction. Corporate tax in the UAE was first introduced by Federal Decree Law number 47 of 2022. It applies to the resident as well as non-resident entities engaged in the business activities in UAE. Corporate tax is 0% on certain exempt categories and 9% taxable income exceeding the specified threshold. Today, we will focus on how income from foreign subsidiaries is treated under this law. Income from foreign subsidiaries generally include dividend, profit distribution, and gain from the sale of shares. This income fall under the purview of two key provisions: Article 22 on exempt income and Article 23 on participation exemptions. Under Article 23, to qualify for a participation exemption, the UAE entity must own at least 5% of the foreign subsidiary. This ownership must be held for an uninterrupted period of 12 months, or there must be an intention to meet this condition. The subsidiary should be subject to the corporate tax and equivalent tax in its jurisdiction at the rate at least 9% and provide entitlement to at least 5% of distributable profit and liquidation procedures. There must be 5% ownership we should have in the subsidiary, and we must hold the ownership for at least 12 months, or we have intention to hold for more than 12 months. And our subsidiary company in foreign country must pay at least 9% corporate tax or similar kind of tax in that jurisdiction, and we will hold at least 5% distributable profit in the case of liquidation procedure happening in the subsidiary in the foreign country. Taxability scenario: income is exempt if it meets the participation exemption conditions such as dividend or capital gains from qualifying share sale. On the other hand, if subsidiary operates in a jurisdiction with no corporate tax or a tax below the 9% jurisdiction, such income may be taxable. Income not meeting these criteria is also subject to the taxation in UAE. Foreign tax credit. To avoid the double taxation, UAE law allows for a foreign tax credit under Article 47. The credit is limited to the amount of UAE corporate tax payable on the same income. Proper documentation is crucial to claim this credit effectively. I got many doubts, many queries from my many clients. They say, okay, we paid or not paid in the foreign country the tax. How the UAE government will know? We can make some other fake document, any documents we will make like that. If we do, it will be okay. I always suggest them, when you are paying foreign tax in the foreign country, you must have the government receipt. You must have. If you don't have, maybe in the FTA, maybe ask, you should get this MOFA attested in the UAE. Some such kind of requirements can become by seeing the present situation. These kind of requirements can become by the FTA in the future. So you should not try to make any fake proof of the foreign tax paid. It will be then punishable, obviously. Up to 300% of the fine tax amount can be, the penalty can be imposed on you. Now come to the compliance requirement. Taxable person must report income from the foreign subsidiaries in the UAE corporate tax return. Proper documentation is necessary to prove eligibility for participation exemptions and foreign tax credits. Like we are holding more than 5% of the equity, or we are paying more than 9% tax in the foreign country by the foreign subsidiary company. Failure to comply this reporting or payment obligation can result in penalties as outlined in the Federal Decree Law number 47 of 2022. Okay, now come to the conclusion. Income from foreign subsidiaries can either be exempt or taxable depending on the specific circumstances and compliance with the law. Proper structuring and adherence to the compliance requirement can ensure tax efficiency. It highly recommended to seek experts for tailored tax solutions. We are using in this whole video subsidiary terms. As per IFRS, subsidiary is if we are holding more than 50% of the ownership, and there is one more term is there if we have a we are controlling them. Such kind of companies can be called subsidiaries. But if we are holding less than 5% equity in that company, then it will not fall under this participation exemption. We must hold minimum 5% in that company, and 12-month holding is required, right? And some other conditions are also there. I am only discussing the important one. uh, Conditions are discussing. And 9% tax minimum they are paying in the foreign country as a income tax or corporate tax we call it. Okay, and we must have a 5% ownership at the time of distribution of assets as well, means liquidation. These are some important conditions. There may be some other conditions as well, we are not going to discuss in that much detail. For that you can, as per your specific company structure, you can consult with us. We can see the case from case in details. And this is our disclaimer. Whatever we taught in this video, this is only for a educational informal purpose only, educational purpose only. For any specific advisory, we at Sheikh Anwar Accounting and Auditing LLC, in we our office is in Dubai Creek Tower. You can call us, or you can just log in to our portal www.sa auditors.com. You can create your account there and you can consult with us. We are always happy to help you, serve you better. I hope this video will give you good knowledge about this, and we hope fruitful. And please do comment in the comment section on what topic related to the corporate tax in UAE you want to we should make a more videos on such topics. Like one of my user asked me about to taxability on foreign income received from the foreign subsidiaries or foreign shareholdings. So like I made this video, and if you have any other things in your mind, you can let me know. We are always happy to help you. Thank you very much. I hope I made some valuable contribution in your knowledge of corporate tax. Thank you very much. Ma salama. Thank you.